Hello guys, welcome back to this update. Right here guys, on this video I decided to show you guys how to upload your video to get more views and subscribers more fast. Okay, so a lot of people has been doing this in the wrong way, so I want to share my experience on that so that you can also copy that and start uploading your videos in the right way. Okay, so without much waste of our time, before you get into this, please, if this is your first time of seeing me on this YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and also turn on your bell notification to get notified any single day we drop a new update. So now with that being said guys, let's jump into the video guys.
Alright guys, so we are on our channel dashboard right now, and if you look onto your screen, you're gonna see how our channel dashboard looks, and right here is the YouTube studio. Okay, so one of the first mistake people make is uploading their video in a wrong way. Okay, so there is a way you can upload your videos on YouTube, and this is going to make your video not to have views, and right here on this video I'm going to show you that particular thing. So the first thing to do is to start uploading your video from your YouTube studio. Don't upload your video from YouTube Studio app or YouTube application. Always upload your video from your YouTube Studio browser. Okay, you can access your Studio browser from your mobile phone browser. Okay, so you can go ahead and log into your YouTube channel, and then you're gonna start uploading your video. So if you want to upload from your Studio browser, guys, all you need to do is to come over right here and tap on the upload button. And if you tap on the upload button over here, it's gonna come up for you. Just go ahead and select upload. Okay, and right here you're gonna need to select from your file. Okay, so they are going to take you to your file so you can select the particular video. So before you do that, guys, the first thing to do is to rename the file you want to upload. Okay, so this is where your first mistake starts. Before you start uploading videos on YouTube, make sure you rename the file you saved on your phone. Okay, if you come over right here on my files, you're gonna see I have these three videos over here. So now the first thing to do is to rename these files, because these files has been saved already from the editing app like CapCut or InShot. Okay, so now the first thing to do is to rename them so that once you upload the video, YouTube algorithm gonna rate the video automatically and then understand what your video is all about, and this can also help them push your video more. Okay, so here you're gonna need to select the video and then go over to this place and tap on rename. Here you can change the name to anything of your choice. So assume you want to change the name to transport, something like that, transport. You can go ahead and do that, and then your video name will be saved. Okay, so now you can now go back to your studio and start uploading the video. So now if you come over right here, tap on the arrow button on the screen, then you can go over here to your videos, and then you can tap on transport. Okay, so if you tap on the transport button, they are going to start uploading the video to your channel. Okay, so this is just a test. I'm using this video to show you guys how to upload so you can also follow the same step. So right here, you can see that the file name is already here as transport, and this is going to help YouTube to understand what your video is all about. And right here, you can see the video is already uploading on the screen. Now, the next thing is to enter your description and make sure that the name you wrote on the video file is what the video is talking about so that you can have more keywords on your videos. Okay, so now you can add more titles if you want to do that. And after that, just come right on your description, and right here enter the description perfectly fitting the video you are uploading. Then after that, just scroll down a little bit over here. Here you're gonna need to select a perfect title. Okay, mind you that YouTube always asks you to make your video catchy and clickable. Okay, so always make sure you use a very high clickable thumbnails on your videos, and this is gonna make people to always click on your videos. Okay, so now after you choose your title, just scroll down a little bit over here, choose your playlist if you have any playlist. Okay, and right here, if you scroll down, the next thing to do is to choose either your video is for kids or not. So right here, this video is not for kids, so it's just not for kids. Okay, so you can see I already said that right here. Then here comes more magic on this uploading. Right here, just tap on show more, and there are a lot of things you are going to do on this show more section. So now if you look onto the screen right here, you're gonna see they're asking if this content is altered content or not. So altered content means if you are using robots to make your video or not. Okay, so if you're using robots to make your videos, like AI to make your videos, you can go ahead and select yes. But if you're making the video by yourself, just select no. Okay, so this is the next part you're gonna select. So here I made the video myself, and then you can just scroll down to the next option over here, and right here the next option is to add tags to your video. Okay, so now you can go ahead and add tags to your video. So using the right tags for your video gonna also help YouTube algorithm to rate your videos and also share it to the right audience. So right here you can see these are the tags corresponding to the video I uploaded. Okay, so right here now, you scroll down. The next thing is to choose your video language and the title language. Okay, so all these are on English, and that's how it should be. Make sure your video is under standard YouTube license so that people will not be pirating your content. Okay, so right here the next setting is allow embedding. Okay, so if your own is turned off, please make sure you turn it on. This is going to help YouTube allow third parties to use your video, and also it's going to enable your video to rank more on other search engines. So right here the category should be on how to, if you are doing how to videos. Okay, so now the next thing here is to allow people to comment on your videos, and this is going to also help the YouTube algorithm to understand that your videos or your channel is active. Okay, so now you can also decide to show how many viewers likes your video or not. Okay, so this is the upload settings for this video. Okay, so make sure you follow up this way to upload your video. So if you are using the mobile app YouTube Studio to post your videos, it's not going to show you all these features. Okay, so this is why I said you should always upload your video from studio browser on YouTube. So now the next thing is always make sure your video is unlisted. Whenever you're posting your video, make sure it's unlisted first. Okay, so if you set it unlisted, it's gonna give YouTube algorithm more time to process your videos before going public. Okay, so once you set it unlisted, just go ahead and set up every other thing you want to set up on the channel. And right here, you can also schedule your video on your channel. Here you can tap on this down arrow button, and right here you can choose whenever you want your video to go live. Okay, so assuming you want to post this video tomorrow, so you can come over right here and schedule the time you want your video to go live. Okay, so right here you can choose any date. So if you tap on the drop down arrow here, you can see the calendar. So here you can choose any date of your choice and then choose the time frame you want your video to go public. And after that, you can just go ahead and tap on the done button and everything will saved. Okay, so now the next thing to do here is to always add end screen to your videos. End screen gonna help your video go more viral, and this is gonna help YouTube to promote your videos more to the audience. So if you look onto the screen right, you're gonna see I've already added my end screen videos, and that is how to do that. Just go ahead and select any video of your choice, add it over there, and you can save it. Okay, and right here the next thing is the cards. Okay, you need to always add cards to your videos so that whenever people are watching your videos, they can go ahead and watch the next video that's going to appear over there. So this is the card I added on my video, and you can see the title of the card. So this is how to do this, guys. So this is just the most important settings you need to do on your videos before making it public, and it's going to help your videos go viral on YouTube. So guys, this is all about this video, and I hope you find the video helpful. If you do, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to get more updates whenever we drop a new video. If you haven't watched the video on how to set up your channel, you can check out this video on the screen to watch it and understand it more better. Okay, so thank you and see you on the next video. So, loves you, and goodbye for now.